In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw on Notion. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the best way to draw inside Notion itself is go to a website called Whiteboard and make sure it's spelled witeboard.com. And once you go there, it will give you a link. And once you're here, copy this link and then come here and then paste this link here like so. And then once you've pasted it, you want to click on create embed. Now this is going to embed that link here. And from here, you can go ahead and draw inside Notion. Another way to do this is to, if you've got, go to Google Drawings itself and then create a drawing here. And then once you've created a drawing, I know it's a pretty bad drawing, go File, and then from here click on share and then click on publish to web. And now under link, you want to copy the link here, Control C, and then here click Control V and then click on create embed, and that's going to embed that image from Google Drawings.